To determine if your steak is still safe to eat, check for several key signs of spoilage. First, look for a use-by or sell-by date. If it's past the use-by or more than 3 to 5 days after the sell-by date, it's best to discard it. The steak should also feel firm without any sticky or slimy residue, and a dull gray color may indicate spoilage. Give it a sniff. If you detect a sour or rancid odor, throw it out. Additionally, check for dryness or freezer burn, which can affect texture and flavor. Ensure that the steak hasn't been left out at temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 2 hours, and discard any that have been frozen for over 12 months. For cooked steak, discard if there's a sour smell or fuzzy texture. To maintain freshness, store steaks in their original packaging and freeze them in an airtight container before the use-by date, ensuring they remain safe and flavorful.